Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Palm AI coin. So to get this coin, open up your browser and log on to CoinMarketCap. The link will be in the description of the video. So as you can see here, it says Palm AI has migrated to a new contract address from the old contract address. So if you have an old contract address prior to the announcement, you can check out the information here. And to get the new contract address, simply copy the Ethereum contract address that has been displayed. And if you scroll down a bit more, you'd find the market section where you can find where this token is being traded. So for the centralized exchange, we have Mexi. For the decentralized, we have Uniswap. So I'm going to be showing you how to get it both on a centralized and a decentralized exchange. Minimize and open up Mexi as a centralized exchange we're going to be working with. Make sure you have an account here. If you do not, you could use our link to simply claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome bonus and gifts when you register with our link and verify your account. So guys, you've got a verified account. How can you buy the Palm AI coin? It's quite easy. All you need to do is simply head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, and at the overview, click on deposit to simply deposit cryptocurrencies that could be converted into the USDT or deposit the USDT directly on Mexi. Now, once you've deposited USDT, it can be used to trade for the Palm AI coin. If you do not have USDT to deposit from another exchange or an external wallet, you could simply move to the fiat section and click on buy crypto. Once you've selected the option to buy crypto, you're met with the Express, the P2P, and the third-party options of getting yourself crypto. With Express, all you need is just your Visa or MasterCard, and then you enter in your local currency how much you would wish to spend. And once you've entered in your local currency, the amount of USDT or the equivalent would then be showed here in USDT, and all you need to do is just simply click on buy. The P2P is more of getting an account and then creating an order where you can get your cryptocurrency from another user or seller, and then you can use those USDT to get the cryptocurrencies you wish. So guys, once you've gotten your USDT from the Express, all you need to do is head to the trade, which is at the bottom of the screen, and where we have GPU USDT, use this drop down to simply search for Palm AI. So click on Palm AI USDT, and then where we have your trading type, which is set to market, you could simply move it from limit if it's on limit and set it at market, so you can buy your cryptocurrency at the current price of the market, which is 0.401. So you could buy it at this cheap price and just enter the amount of USDT here and click on buy, and then you'd find the Palm AI coin on your wallet. When you head to the wallet section and scroll to the spot wallet and perform a reload, you'd find the Palm AI here. So guys, that's how you can get it on a centralized exchange. For decentralized, open up your MetaMask. The MetaMask opened, make sure you're on the Ethereum main network by using the network toggle at the top of the screen. So when you click on this toggle, click on Ethereum mainnet. And once here, make sure you have some Ethereum tokens to complete the transaction, as Ethereum is needed for gas fees and also swapping. So click on buy ETH. And once you selected the buy ETH option, you're showed your local currency, which you can select. So if you want to use the US dollar, click on the US dollar and then enter the amount of dollars you wish to spend, and then click on your payment type. So the payment type ranges from the Google Pay to the debit or credit to the SEPA bank transfer or Kipu. So all you need to do is just select any of these options and get yourself some of the ETH on your wallet. So once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum via the buy option, click on import tokens. We're doing this so we can add the Palm AI coin on our wallet. So click on token contract address, paste the contract address we had copied from CoinMarketCap, click on next. It shows the Palm symbol and the decimal, click on next, and then you'd find the Palm AI coin, click on import once more, and boom, it's been added. Now, in order to get yourself some of the Palm AI coins on your MetaMask, head to the browser icon at the bottom right. Use the search icon to search for app.uniswap.org. Once there, the connect option at the top right, click on this connect and make sure your wallet is connected to the platform. And once you've connected your wallet successfully to the platform, where we have the swap, in place of GPU, click on GPU and simply search or paste the contract address for the Palm AI and select Palm AI and click on I understand. Now enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to trade for this Palm AI and then click on swap. Swap would be shown instead of an insufficient Ethereum balance, and then you pay a gas fee of $3.76. Once you've done this, once you've approved of the transaction in your wallet, click on the wallet section, perform a simple reload, and you'd find the Palm AI has been deposited. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.